Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to save as MP4 on iMovie. If you want to save your iMovie project as an MP4 on your device's gallery, then here is how you can do it. Open up your iMovie application on your iPhone or your iPad. Now go ahead and select a project you would like to save. Once you open up the project, from the bottom menu, tap on the share icon with a little arrow in it. Now click on Save or Share Video. From the bottom menu, click on Save Video. You will now need to wait for a few seconds and you will now be able to save your video as an MP4 on your device's camera roll. Open up your Photos app on your iPhone or your iPad and you will be able to see your saved MP4. So that is how you can easily save your iMovie project as an MP4. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.